Hi guys, in today's video, I'll be taking you guys on a tour of the Lateef Jakande Station in Agbado and as well give an update on other stations on the Lagos Ibadan train service. Since the Lagos Ibadan train service begins operation more than a year ago, only 5 out of the 10 stations have been in use. The station in use are the Mobolaji Johnson Station Ebute Metta, which is the biggest among the stations, Babatunde Fashola Station Agege, Prof. Wole Soyinka Station Abeokuta, Ladoke Akintola Station Omi-Adio, and the Obafemi Awolowo Station in Moniya Ibadan. The remaining 5 stations are not yet in use as contractors are still working on those stations. The 5 stations not in use yet are Bola Tinubu Station Apapa, Lateef Jakande Station Agbado, Prof. Yemi Osibanjo Station Kajola, Funmilayo Ransome Kuti Station Papalanto, and the Aremo Olusegun Osoba Station Olodo. Passengers will soon start boarding on these other stations as contractors are rounding up the construction and getting ready to hand over to the Nigerian Railway Corporation. I will be showing some of the facilities at these stations, but with the reference of the Lateef Jakande Station in Agbado, and as well show the area view of the station, as there will be another station at this location for the Lagos Metro, the red line which terminates at Agbado. Stations will have a waiting room for passengers, ticketing room, police post, broadcasting room, shops, VIP lounge, Christian praying room, Muslim praying room for both male and female, amongst others. Taking a view around this vicinity, I noticed construction haven't started for the Agbado station, which will be used for the Lagos Rail Mass Transit, but construction of the Agbado overpass is ongoing, and also construction of access roads to the stations.